In this video from Device Doctor, we are working on the Canon imageRUNNER 2520. Every time we send a print job, the machine stops and shows a paper jam error. In this video, we will fix this issue.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, check the paper path and the paper tray carefully. Make sure there is no stuck paper or obstruction inside the machine. If everything looks normal, then the main issue is the pickup roller. Over time, the pickup roller becomes dirty or worn out, and it cannot properly feed the paper. In this section, you can clearly see the pickup roller. Now we need to remove it. The process is very simple. Just pay close attention and follow carefully. As you can see, there is a small clip here. You need to press it properly so the pickup roller can come out easily. As you can see, this pickup roller is dirty and worn out. In some cases, cleaning the roller may temporarily solve the problem. However, the best and most reliable solution is to replace it with a new pickup roller. You can easily order this pickup roller from online stores such as Alibaba or Amazon. You can also find it at local Canon printer parts suppliers. Now you can easily install the new pickup roller back into its original position. Make sure it is properly aligned and securely locked in place. After replacing the pickup roller, the printer feeds paper smoothly and the paper jam error is completely gone. As you can see, a small worn part can cause a big problem, but with the correct diagnosis and proper replacement, the machine works like new again. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Device Doctor for more professional printer repair tutorials.